If you have been learning English for more than 6 months, stop studying. If you still get stuck when you try to speak, opening another textbook is the worst thing you can do. Let me ask you a question. How many hours did you spend watching English videos last week? Maybe 5 hours, maybe 10 hours. Now, how many minutes did you spend speaking? Zero. 5 minutes. That is the passive learning trap. You feel like you are learning because you are understanding everything. When you watch a movie, you say, I understand that. When you read a book, you say, I know that word. But listen to me carefully. Understanding is not speaking. They are two completely different brain circuits. You are training your brain to be a collector of words, not a creator of sentences. And that is why you are stuck. Let me tell you a story about you. Think back to your first month of learning English. Do you remember that time you know only 50 words? You said hello, you said water, you said thank you. Your grammar was broken, your accent was funny. But today, 6 months later, you know 5,000 words. You know past tense, you know future tense. But when you open your mouth, silence. What changed? Why could the beginner you speak, but the expert you cannot? Here is the bitter truth. When you started learning grammar, you thought you were building a bridge, but actually, you were building a wall. Think about it. You learned the rule of S versus R. That was the first brick. You learned the rule of prepositions. That was the second brick. You learned about vocabulary. That was the third brick. With every new rule you memorized, you added another brick between your brain and your mouth. And today, after 6 months of studying, you are standing behind a giant invisible wall. You can see the fluency on the other side. You can hear people talking easily, but you cannot cross over because your own knowledge, your own rules are blocking your path. And sitting on top of this wall is a security guard. I call him the angry guard. He was hired by your fear. His job is to check every word before it leaves your mouth. Imagine this scenario. You want to say, I went to the market yesterday. Simple, right? But before you speak, the guard steps in. He screams, wait, is it went or gone? He screams, wait, is your pronunciation correct? He screams, wait, will people laugh? By the time you answer him, the moment is gone. The conversation is dead. You are not stuck because you are weak. You are stuck because your guard is too strong. Now I am going to give you a drill to vanish the guard. But be careful. There is a dangerous mistake that 99% of students make when they try this drill. If you make this mistake, the angry guard will get stronger, not weaker. I will show you exactly what this mistake looks like in a live demo at the end of this video. So watch the demo carefully. But first, here is the drill. I call this the 60-second chaos drill. This is a psychological trick to bypass your internal editor. Here is exactly how you do it. Step 1. Pick a random object. Look around you right now. A fan, a bottle, a cow, a buffalo, anything. Set a timer on your phone for exactly 60 seconds. Start speaking about the object. But here is the golden rule. You are not allowed to stop and you are not allowed to correct yourself. This is crucial. If you say he go instead of he goes, keep moving. If you forget the word for umbrella, call it a rain stick. Call it a magic mushroom. It doesn't matter. Just keep the sound coming out of your mouth. Why does this work? Because the angry guard is slow. He needs time to analyze grammar. When you embrace the chaos, you leave him behind. You force your brain to focus on the message, not the mechanics. Now remember that dangerous mistake I warned you about. Let me show you a bad attempt when the guard is in control. This is a phone. Ideally, it is black and yesterday I called my friend, but network was bad. So uh, I put my phone down. No, that is too slow. The guard is winning. Here is what a chaos drill looks like. This is a phone. It black color. I buy this market yesterday. Very expensive. My father say no buy. But I buy. It has camera. Camera good. I take photo of buffalo. Buffalo happy. Phone battery low. I need charger. Where is charger? I don't know. Was the grammar perfect in this paragraph? No. Was it broken English? Yes. But did I communicate? Absolutely, I communicate. And more importantly, I did not stop. That flow state, that feeling of words tumbling out, that is the beginning of fluency.
You will never succeed. I beg to differ. What is this? No! No, not again! No!
You need to do this drill every single day for 7 days. Your brain needs to learn that mistakes will not kill you. The world doesn't need you to be an English professor. The world just needs to understand your ideas. A messy sentence that is actually spoken is 100 times more powerful than a perfect sentence that dies in your head. That is why the name of this channel is the 70% speaker. We don't aim for 100%, we aim for connection. So are you ready to outrun the guard? I want you to try this drill right now. Put your phone down, set a timer, and then comment below. I did it. And tell me what topic you spoke about. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.